Welcome to Cloud Talks podcast. I'm Manish. I'm academic counselor.
Okay, hi, my name is Teena Mam, and I work at Cloud as a PCI instructor.
Okay, viewers, as I told before, also we would like to give updated information about academic activities, test preparation, and other funny, punchlines. Also, we start. And today we are talking to Tina. Okay, Tina, how are you?
Hi, sir, I'm good. How about you?
I'm also good enough. Yes, you are conducting mock interview, right?
Yes, sir.
Of UK only, or maybe Australia or America, US university?
So I'm mostly specialized for UK only. So I just look for the pre-CAS interviews of UK based university.
Okay, pre-CAS interview. All right. So when you began your this pre-CAS interview, what did you feel at first? What problems did you face?
So basic problem would be the internet connection of students so far that
Students' problem.
yeah.
We have got very strong internet, right?
Yeah, we do
We
have.
have got very strong internet
Yes,
actually
we do
for
have.
coin information viewers. Yeah, go on.
And there's slight internet issue. And apart from that, I think another problem I would face is that students tend to be nervous, and I try to calm them down.
Students, they are nervous, you mean?
Yeah.
So because of your pronunciation, I guess people can't understand your pronunciation, right or wrong.
I don't think so.
Okay,
I
okay, all right.
do have, I think, clear pronunciation.
Okay, and among the students, how they speak and how they ask, if they are confused, how they ask you questions. For example, if they don't know certain question, how they reacted.
So I can see in their facial structure that they are a bit confused. So I try to translate it in Nepali so that it will be easier for them to understand.
Okay, you have just joined Cloud, yeah?
Yeah.
And what do you feel about team members, or yeah, you can find different stuff, co-workers also, right?
Yeah.
So what do you feel about the friend circles over here?
I think everybody are really friendly, and I'm not feeling like I am just spending my just half of time here in the office. Everybody is talking. Everybody talks quite friendly, and everybody try to create that sort of friendly environment for the new staff here. And I love that about the cloud.
Okay, someone said you are workaholic. Is that right or wrong?
No, I'm not.
Or you're taking break also?
Yeah, I do take breaks, but I tend to stay at my room only. Maybe because of that reason, I think somebody is saying.
Yeah, so someone told, where is Teena Mam? She's workaholic. She's inside. So people ask in this way. So isn't that true?
No, that is not. That is completely not true.
Okay, by the way, I'm changing slightly on a topic. Do you watch this FIFA World Cup?
Um, I don't watch, but I love to follow the live score. So I've not watched live match up till now, but I have watched highlights.
Okay, means you haven't watched live, yet.
Yeah.
So what are the main reasons that you haven't watched yet the live one actually?
I think that is because of time, I would say, because some of the games are at midnight, some of are early in the morning. So I think I need to manage my time. So I need to be presented here in office. So I think because of that reason also, I'm not able to watch a live match, I guess.
Yeah, the time gap we can find out almost 24 hours difference, right?
Yeah.
Some places more than that also.
Yeah.
Okay, viewers, if you want to ask questions about learnings in the cloud learning center, or our counseling part, for example, if you want to collect information about UK universities, Australian university colleges, or maybe Canadian universities and colleges and New Zealand, you can ask us here, and you can just text there, you can ask there, and we will try our best to give you people information. Okay, well, I'm asking you to make your English outstanding, very fluency and coherence. Did you used to get involved in certain activities in your school or college?
No, so far not. I used to watch a lot of movies while I was studying in my bachelor's or my plus two. So I was totally unknown about, honestly speaking, was not able to speak this fluently. So my brother introduced me to the several English movies. I used to watch English movies, and I'm into books. I do read books as well. So I think those are the reasons that I have good fluency in
Okay,
English.
English movies. So, can you tell me one favorite movie that you like too much?
Okay, so the English movie I liked is, so I've watched recently the romantic movie called A Voicemail to Isabella, and I think that movie is really good. So what happens is the younger sister dies, and the older sister sends the voicemail what she have been doing every day. So the gist of the movie is that.
Okay. And have you got a habit to read articles, maybe political article, health article, or maybe article regarding academic activity? What kind of article would you like to read in the newspapers?
Um, I do like to study the articles that are basically on political. So as like politics is being quite famous in Gen Zs nowadays, so I think I love to stay updated, like what is happening right now.
Okay, which one, a newspaper or magazine, English newspaper or magazine, would you like to read and why?
I love to read the Himalayan Times. So I think the more the news are given in more clearly, and I think it is quite easier to read, and they have not so much complex pronunciation, complex word. They are using normal, easy to understand languages. So I think
Okay. And international English newspaper, which one would you like to read?
um, for the international, I follow the New York Times.
New York Times. Okay, article is outstanding. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I also follow New York Times, and I read the Guardian also. That is a British English newspaper, and the Telegraph is my favorite. And once upon a time, I used to read the Age and Age. That is Indian newspapers,
Okay.
and I used to go to New Road in one shop, in one stationery, and oh, please keep me, this one once a week. I used to say these days we have what e-news, we can collect news through internet, so I use this more. I also like to read articles. Basically I want to read a business article, an article related to sports also. By the way, sports, yeah. So which one team would you like to support? Which one team?
I followed Brazil since I knew about the FIFA.
Okay, means you have heard about Pele.
Yeah, I've heard, and I think we studied about him as well in our school.
Your parents might be, your father might be, a dire friend of Pele, I guess. You can ask, okay?
Yeah, sure, sir. So I would like to ask you one thing. As you've mentioned, you used to study the articles which are given in Guardian and the New York Times, and you even studied the Indian newspaper. So what difference do you find between those newspapers?
Actually, Indian newspaper Age and Age is also fantastic, and English newspaper of UK, obviously, outstanding, because they are using higher level of academic words. I can just see two level, and the sentence structure is also fantastic. So as a teacher, as a IELTS instructor, PT instructor, when I find out active and passive voice, but effectively in the sentence structure, and basically editorial in that Guardians and the Telegraph, that UK-based newspapers, that editorial is fantastic. Don't forget to subscribe, okay?